Pop, and today I'm going to show you guys my winter room tour for 2018, so let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off, I just wanted to show you guys an overview of my room so you guys could see what it looks like. Also, this is my dream room. I actually just got my room redone 6 months ago, and I want to give a shout out to my dad for making my dream room a reality, and I love my room so much, and I'm so excited to show you guys it. I have a nice winter theme. It's all blue and white and like furry because I love winter. Also, I don't have the best lighting in my room, so please excuse that. And yeah, this is kind of just what my room looks like and what I've been wanting to do with my room since a while, and it's finally done, so I'm so excited to show you guys. And I really love my room. I just think it's the perfect winter room, even though I'm gonna leave it like this all year round, and I'm really bad with changing my room with the seasons. I feel like my room is always gonna be winter themed. I'll always be a winter gal. And yeah, I love my walls. They're like this bright blue. It's like my favorite part of my room. And I live on the top floor, so like I said, the lighting isn't the best, but I still do love my room. And I finally went ahead and redid my room, and here is what I call my winter room tour. So starting off, I have my door that I walk into, and next to that I have my closet. You do not want to see what's in there because it is messy, not gonna lie. And then you have my bed. I love my bed, probably the thing that I worked the most hard on in my whole room. My comforter, I love it how it matches my walls perfectly. It is from Burlington Coat Factory. And then I have this fur throw that I got from Target. And then going on to my pillows, my two behind pillows are from Burlington, obviously. Well, I don't know where the inside pillows are from, but the covers came with the set of the comforter from Burlington. And then I have my fur pillow, and then I have the Snuggle is Real pillow. I love that pillow. It was so cute when I saw it. I got the Snuggle is Real pillow from Burlington and the fur pillow also from Target, I guess. And yeah, that's my pillows. And then I have my diamond lights. I got these from Nordstrom. They're rose gold. I kind of wanted to get silver, but I liked these so much that I went ahead and got them, even though they were rose gold and I wanted silver. But I still love how it looks, and I love my bed. Probably one of my favorite parts in my room. And then after my bed, when you go to the side, I have my tiny little dinky little nightstand. It's really tiny, and I just love it. It's so cute and adorable. And on top of that, I have this candle that my friend Tasneem got me. And then I have this lamp that I got from Burlington. Also, it has these blue crystals, and I love it so much on the side. And this gives really good light. I love keeping just this on at nights in my room with my headboard lights. And my nightstand has 2 drawers, I believe. And then next I have a window on my wall, and my curtains is from Target. They're just these ombre blue yellow ones. They're really cute. I like how I can still get some sun through them. And then next to that, in between my curtain and desk, I have on the bottom a garbage can, you know, to take out the trash, so we're not making a mess. And then right before, like in between my desk and like my bed, I have this blue carpet that I love. I love chilling there and just laying down honestly on it. And then I have on my desk these 4 drawers with these silver the silver handles. And I got my desk from Walmart. And then I have my fur chair that I got from Nordstrom. I love this chair so much. It's like the comfiest thing on the planet. Literally, I lounge on this chair just chilling on my desk, not even to do work, all the time because it's just so comfy. And I really just love my desk chair. It's so nice. And then I have my desktop. I just have my phone there. And then I have this table cover to put on top to protect it because it is a white desk and I do my makeup on there, so sometimes it can get dirty. And trust me, I've stained it a bit already, but that's okay. And then I have a mirror here sitting on top of my desk that lights up. It's an iHome mirror that has a speaker inside. I love it so much for when I do my makeup. It's like the perfect lighting, and there's always a speaker, you know. And then I also have this mirror that I actually don't know where I got that from. My aunt actually got it from me. Shout out to Zainab's mom for getting me this. I love this mirror. It's so amazing. I put it in my room, and I just think it fits in my little desk section perfectly. And then under that, I just have this M letter that I got from Michaels, and I just love my M so much. It's actually a Marquee letter. Before I started my room, when I was planning my room out, I always knew that I wanted to get one of these because I just love how it sits on top of the desk, and you know, I love having an initial around somewhere. And then I have this crystal lamp that is from Amazon on my desk, you know, for those long study nights. Keeps my eyes nice and going. And then I have my pumpkin and candle on the side. I know I'm still living in fall, sadly. And then my my pumpkin is from Walgreens, and my candle is a pumpkin gingerbread candle from White Barn. And then after my desk, I have my big wardrobe, I guess you could call it. It's kind of like an armoire slash a wardrobe, and then it has this mirror, and it has 2 drawers on the bottom. It is humongous. It takes up half my room, but you know, great for the storage. And then it has the 2 little open door thingers. They don't have drawers in there. It's just open space to like hang stuff. I love this full-size mirror. It's perfect for all OOTDs. Always taking pictures there. It's my favorite mirror in my room. Probably after the one that I have on top of my desk. Love my wardrobe. Have so much space in there. I could probably fit 3 people in there, honestly. And then after my wardrobe, I just have this 6 drawer chest right next to there, and this is kind of where I put all my jewelry and I've tried to decorate that the most out of, I guess, my whole room. I tried to change it up a bit over there. And then I have a big window on top of there, and the curtains are also from Target. And then I have my jewelry holder that I got from Century 21. I love this jewelry holder. I had this even before I redid my room. And then I have all my perfumes under, moisturizers, deodorant, you know, all that stuff, all the hygiene. And then I have my Bethany Moda perfume. I have my Ariana Grande perfume. I love this perfume so much. And all my Victoria's Secret perfumes. They're mostly all Victoria's Secret perfumes. And my favorite scent of perfume is Coconut Passion by Victoria's Secret. And then I have this candle over here just chilling there in that little candle holder. It's Citron Cedarwood from 2014. I love, as you can tell looking at the candle, I love this scent, and I love the little candle holder I have from it. It's from Bath & Body Works. And then after that, I have my TV box. It's a Samsung TV box, I guess, or an Optimum TV box. Yeah, not really sure about that, but yeah, that's where my TV box is from, if you know, if you were wondering. And then I have my TV. It's really big. I love watching TV from my bed. And then after that, I just have this other closet that leads to my attic. You also don't want to see what's in there. It's also a mess. And then that is an empty wall and just my light switch. And that is really it for my room. And I know it's nothing special, but I like how minimalistic and just simple and very me and winter and blue and fur and white it is. I just love winter. And yeah, that's it for my room basically. And also, if you were wondering what my fan looks like, that's what it looks like. It's also white. I was going with the whole white and blue theme, and I'm really happy and thankful for my room. Thank you to my dad for making this a reality for me, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my finally long awaited room tour, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!